how do you create this car falling from sky effect? What do you need for that effect? Yourself and the car. Before you start recording, there are some steps you need to fulfill. Make sure you have a static background, so if you have a sky as a background, there shouldn't be any clouds. Set the exposure and focus on your camera to manual. The camera itself should be standing on a tripod or whatever. It's just important that it won't be moving while you are shooting this. Now let's go to the video shoot itself. First, just record your landscape. Second, get your car into position and stay right next to it. Look around, then look at the sky and pretend like you're surprised that a car is falling from the sky. And then go into the car and drive away. Now let's go to the edit. Alright guys, now if you've done all that, you now just got a very long clip where some weird things are happening. Now we just need to adjust some things and then we are all good to go. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, so use it directly from here, and where you are like surprised that the car is falling from the sky, use exactly that part of the clip. Delete the rest. Now we got our clip. Good, and now we need to set another cut. Directly here, when I'm like going back with my body, that means that the car has just landed right here. Right here. Set a cut. Now we got like two clips. The first part of the clip and the second part of the clip. Go to the first part, go to crop, and move the right sign. So it depends where your car is, but in my example it's on the right. So move it as far as you need to move it. We just want to crop out the car. Just like that. Alright. Now go again back to your long clip and grab the part where you just recorded your landscape and move it directly under the first part of this clip. Yeah, and now we see we got again just a normal picture. Alright. Now we gotta see where we look up and are like, what the hell is happening here? Yeah, it starts right here. So right here we want our car to fall from the sky and land right here. Alright, so we just go to the second part, make it big, type in Shift Command 3, put the screenshot back into Final Cut, drag the screenshot into your timeline. I need to crop it because my screen isn't 16:9, depends on your screen as always. And now we want to cut out the car. How we do this, we just grab a draw mask. Draw mask. Just like that. And now just cut out the car. Alright, when you've done that, just grab the screenshot and put it over the first part of your clip. Alright, now the car is again standing right here. And now we just wanted to begin, we want the car fall to match our movement. So I'll begin right here. Delete the rest. Alright. Now I go to the car, go to transform, right click, add keyframes. First put it all the way up so it's not even in our picture anymore, in our frame. And now right here I go all the way up to here. It should be standing right in front of us, so I put the Y coordinate to 0. Just like that. But as we can see, it still looks a little bit unrealistic. To make it look more realistic, go to the Effects tab, type in Directional, put the Directional filter on it. Just like that. Alright. Boom. Alright, when the car is on the ground, the screenshot clip, we just set a cut right here, and now we already use the real clip where the car is in reality standing right next to me. Yeah, so just like that. Boom. And now to match the shadow, like go to the Effects tab, type in Drop Shadow. Now we need to adjust the shape of the shadow. Yeah, just look how the shadow right here is formed. Alright. And now we also want it to move properly. So I would suggest also begin with the shadow somewhere here where we can see it in our frame. Add keyframes. Now go all the way to the last frame of your clip. Go back to shadow. And then it should just be moving, and you need to adjust every single frame, unfortunately. Yeah, alright. And now, boom. Alright, and this is how you do this car falling from sky effect. You can use it for example daily vlogs to just give a little bit diversity to your video. Is there something else? No, actually not. I've been away for 1 month. It has its reasons. I'm in Australia right now and a lot of things are happening. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye.